All right, hey guys, who do we have here?
Landon.
And Jamie.
All right, and what are we doing today?
We are skydiving.
We're skydiving.
Jumping out of planes with strangers.
Jumping out, yep.
All right, what's the occasion?
Just for fun.
Just for fun, I like it. That's why we do it.
Yes.
Living the dream. Well, all right, guys, let's go up to 9,000 feet, have some fun, and fall out of the sky. Woohoo! Yeah. All right, we made it to the airplane. You getting nervous?
Yes.
All right. Me too. Let's go have some fun.
Do it.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. That's so beautiful.
Woo! Woo! Let's do a right turn. Left arm all the way up. Crank it. Yeah, my dude.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I love it, man.
Woo!
Surreal.
Yeah.
Unreal.
Unreal?
Seriously unreal. Never imagined, man.
What's the best word you could use to describe it?
A dream.
A dream come
It's
true?
like a dream come true, man.
Living a dream.
Flying like a bird, yeah.
Well, thanks for sharing your dream with me,
thank
buddy.
you, brother. I
Would you
appreciate
do it again?
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, Skydive Colorado Springs.
Yeah.
Love you guys.